Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video finally. It's been a fair while since I've even picked this camera up, but there's been some good reasons for that, and I'm going to sort of half chat about them now. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I am currently working on the Docker. This caliper needs changing, it's knackered. We did do the other side, the video somewhere, probably one of the last ones I did. So get this caliper changed over, put some new pads on it, and have a bit of a chat with you guys. So like you may be able to remember in probably one of the last videos, definitely one of the last videos on this van, is I changed the caliper because it was knackered. Well, this one doesn't feel any better. It's, where's the other? It's getting nice and hot, and the brakes do need doing anyway, so the other side's already got a new caliper on it. Why not put a new caliper on this side as well? That bolt didn't want to come out. And I thought, you know what, it's about time I addressed what's going on with my van. As you guys have probably noticed, it's not been on the channel, it's not been on Instagram, it's not been anywhere since the MOT and the fail. I mean, there's a couple of different reasons for that. I mean, obviously the main one is the fact it hasn't actually got an MOT and I legally cannot drive it. And the other is because I can't get the work done. Mainly because the weather was so bad I couldn't actually get out and get it done anywhere. And I don't have anywhere inside to do it. So obviously I don't want to start doing what I need to do, cutting holes in the van and basically it raining constantly and I've got nowhere to do it. So she's been parked up now since when the MOT failed, which is what, about 5 months ago now. I literally started her about twice. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong, I probably just could have chucked someone a lot of money and got them to do it for me, but where's the fun in that? I hate this bit. I'm trying to pull this bit down to get the handbrake cable back out. It's a right pain. There we go, handbrake cable off. So I have been thinking, what do I actually do? Do I keep it? Do I sell it? Do I scrap it? Do I put it out for parts? Well, that took too long. Just in case, like me, you haven't got the right length spanner, because for some reason I don't. Let's get yourself a homemade extension. Put it inside. There you go, more leverage. That's now partially done. Oh, this is a pain in the dick. That needs to move a minute. Obviously, I don't want to get rid of my van. I love my van. It's a very good van. It's been through a lot with me. I've been through a lot with it. I ideally don't want to get rid of it. But I've got a bit of an issue where I can't really get the work done on it because of, like I said, the way the weather is. And nowhere inside to do it. Oops. Oops again. Come on. Well, I'm not entirely sure how much of that you could or did see, but that was horrendous. Where's the bolts? Oh, fantastic. What have we done with them? For some reason, the caliper did not want to line up, so that was fun. Well, not the caliper, the brake line that goes into the bottom of the caliper. That did not want to line up at all. But we got there in the end, that's all that matters. So yeah, sorry, as I was saying, I obviously don't want to scrap the van, I don't want to part it out. I do really want to get in this box. I don't want to lose the van, because the van does mean a lot to me, and it would be a massive shame to see that go. And with Christmas and my son's birthday, then my daughter's birthday right after Christmas, I just put it on a back burner, parked it up, ignored it. That was that. Well, as you can see, it's clearly February and it's about time I did something. So I've been sort of half thinking about what do I do. Sorry if the audio's a bit, I'm trying to do this on a busy road. And it's about time I started to actually get things in motion, to actually get them done. And pretty much out of the blue, literally out of the blue, and a message said, we've been doing a bit of thinking and we need to get your van back on the road. Come down and have a chat. So it's exactly what I did. I went down and I had a chat. Now the person I had a chat with was Jonathan and Di down from the doghouse. Now you see me there a few times and can't talk highly enough about the pair of them. Brilliant at what they do. They do high quality work. They're very, very knowledgeable guys. They're the ones who sorted out my fuel pump timing when that needed doing. And I went there for someone else as well. Fuel pump timing, what else was that? There's someone else I went there for. They've offered to clear out a corner of the workshop and put my van there, and we do all of it. And I'm not just talking about the bits it needs for the MOT, which are the 2 rear arches, the sliding door step. There's another little bit on the suspension mounting arm, but they're on about doing everything. Front arches, we're going to notch it, we're going to go to town on this thing. So I went there, had a nice little chat with them, and the van will be going there and living there for a while soon. So the van will have its own little corner down at the doghouse, and we'll be able to completely strip it. I mean, it's even going to be beneficial because it means I can do all the interior again how I want it. Oh, that's horrible. Alright, again. There we go. Yeah, we did it. New caliper on both sides and brake pads. So I am very much looking forward to getting that van back on the road, getting it worked on. When it does get back on the road, it's going to be solid, it's going to be ready, it's going to be everything I need done in one go. So the van always has been a sort of like get a few bits done because it was my daily driver. Well, now it's not my daily driver. I can actually put a little bit more effort into what I want to do and how I want to do it, and I don't have to rush it. So there's going to be a nice little video series coming up of getting that thing completely road legal again, getting it all welded up and getting all the bits and bobs done on it I wanted to get done ages and ages ago. Like I said, which is the notching. I want to get those arches looking nice. I want to get the interior the way I want it, instead of, because when I did the interior it was locked down, so I was struggling to get the parts. Look forward to that. The van will be coming back. Like I said, I was very close to getting rid of it, but I can't get rid of that van. That van is too much to me. I'm lying in brake fluid. Awesome. So to address all the people that have messaged me, and if I haven't messaged you back, it's because I haven't had an answer. I haven't had any answers to give you. Well, now here's your answer. The van will be coming back. There'll be a nice series of it being stripped down to complete bare bones, and what it takes to get it back, taking the arch out, putting a new arch in, what it actually takes to do it. I can't wait for this. It's going to be really, really good fun. I mean, I've had that van now probably 4 years, and I've never been able to open the sliding door without sort of lifting it up first. And I can't wait for that. That's going to be good fun. And there's a few secret projects that are going to be coming along with the van, which I won't tell you, hence the word secret. A few big changes coming. Not hydros, so don't speculate, it's not that. But I'm very much looking forward to this happening. You guys get your answer, everyone's a winner. So if you have messaged me and I have ignored you, I haven't ignored you. I have seen your message. It's just I haven't responded because I genuinely don't have a response to give, because I haven't had an answer. But now here's the answer, and it's going to be very, very fun. I'm looking forward to it and I cannot wait. And hopefully you guys are too. Thank you very much for being patient and thank you very much to everybody who has actually messaged me. It's actually quite heartwarming to know that you guys are interested. So thank you very much. But for now, I've done this brake job. I want to go and get clean. I might even play some Call of Duty. But for now, I'm going to get myself gone. So I want to say a massive thank you again for being patient. But it's going to be worth it, I promise. Anyway, I'm going to get myself gone and clean. Thank you very much for being patient with me. Thank you very much for putting up with my dumb ass. And as always, take it easy, guys.